Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we review this app, as you can see here, WISER app, and this is tool that you help you with the reading books, and basically this is inside to help you learn quickly and stay motivated, and you now apply you find the daily new idea on your daily life, and you can just going to explore actually worth it to download or not. This is actually, guys, is a subscription based by service subscription, and it's over a free trial right here, guys. And this is nice way to try this app. And this is version. Actually, you can browse the some features and you can access the full library. And going to need the pay plan, of course. And this is have a lot of books and basically unlimited range of books. This is very limited. And if you take the paid you plan, you can access to books summaries and formats and the audio, and sometimes and you can target people who are into self-help. You can see personal growth, business insight, and this is good app. You can choose, guys, and you can find your books to help you to grow yourself and stay motivated on the days. This is my review, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget subscribe and like and share this video for more content. And as